Oh, wow, these look so comfortable. Just look how thick these cushions are. Wow, you can have a proper good sleep on them, I tell you. Right, okay, so welcome to this morning's little walking tour. Just going to whiz you around the property, show you what it looks like. Not a room review, it's just an overall review of the resort. So, we start here directly off the beach. You have a beachfront restaurant just running along here. Lovely pool here. And just above, got a really cool infinity pool. Just walk you through, show you the bar on the other side. We'll walk up to the restaurant and reception. If you do like these little walk-through videos of resorts, it just gives people a good idea of what the place looks like. So if you're coming to stay here and you want an up-to-date view of the place, oh, that looks lovely. Very, very nice. Nice shaded area here as well. You know, if you don't like the sun and you get sunburnt easy, you got a little bit of shade going on. So this looks like the restaurant coming up here, and your towel stand to get your towels. Quick pan of the restaurant. See what's on offer. So it's still breakfast time. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's like fairly standard fare. Juice. And all the hot stuff. Okay. And then morning. Got the egg station going on here. Lots of eggs going on. Oh, poached eggs as well. Poached egg. Fantastic. Thank you. Happy to help. There we go. So top view from the infinity pool. Yet again, we've got loads of these big brollies for the shade, which is quite nice. A little bit of chessboard going on. You want to get your chess on? Morning. Which way to get to reception? This way? Down here? That way? That way. Thank you very much. Do I go through here? Through here? Through here. Thank you. I think I've got a big thumbprint of grease on my lens. I do apologise.
Thank you.
Thank you. Boutique shop. Morning. This is spa? Spa? Yeah.
Spa, yes.
Spa, yeah. Spa treatments going on. Thank you.
Thank you.
And it looks like you can walk directly here from the beach to get your spa treatment as well. Nice little entranceway here. Okay, let's go and find reception. That's quite modern, the hotel. Design looks nice. If you do like this kind of content, please do give me a like and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more of this kind of stuff. Everywhere I go on my holiday or on my travels, I do little walk around reviews just to give people an idea of what these places look like before you come. Nothing more disappointing getting to a place and it's not what you expected or what you thought. It's just really cool just to get an idea of the layout. This is quite nice actually because it's all shaded. Let's walk you through. Morning.
How are you?
Good. Reception this way, yeah?
Pardon me?
Reception?
No?
No. This way. This way.
This way.
And this way?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Right, yeah.
Ah, right, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm going to have a walk round. Thank you.
All right.
So yeah, I think that was reception before where I walked past. Okay, so we've reached the back of the hotel. There we go. And smaller rooms here at the back on 3 levels. I'm not staying here, obviously. I'm just mooching through. I'm at the hotel next door, so I just thought I'd come and check this place out because we're leaving our hotel today and looking for somewhere new to stay. Other stuff going on around here. I'm quite nosy. Morning. Now we come to the back of the hotel. There we go. Right, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.